Tomorrow is going to be a nearly 1. Most of the junctions are closed as well. It's been a delayed because all that road work, but I'm pretty sure this is the 10. Hi pal, I have like an hour left. Do you know how long it would take like to get 2 pallets off? I got like an hour left on my tackle. Nearly there, nearly there. Woo! Tomorrow is going to be a nearly 1. This is the start of the block. This should be actually be the finish of one of the blocks, but it's actually the start of one. So just bear with me because I'm going to show you some. I'm going to stay here tonight. I think for my security and for the company security, obviously, I want to be like taking my precautions and thinking about what if this lot was mine. Trying to park as close as I can to this truck in here. So if anybody comes and then trying to open the door straight away, what's going to happen is they won't be able because they are back to back. So spoke to the guy. He's going to reverse it a little bit there because I had to take my tackle out, and he said, yeah, I'm going to do it in a minute. I'm just waiting for something, for a phone call. And if he stays there, by all means, that's good to know, because that way everything is going to be safe. Tomorrow's going to be a long day. Hopefully it's going to be a little bit exciting. It's just in the outskirts, but it's going to be good. So expect something good for tomorrow morning. Going to start 2:30 in the morning. Hope you're liking the videos, guys. If you haven't, yeah, just like, subscribe and leave a comment. Just do all that stuff for us. It'll be absolutely amazing. I will appreciate it more than you actually think I will. And I see you tomorrow. All right, it is. Anyway, never mind the way I look. It is 2 o'clock in the morning. About to go. That thing has been going on all night long. Boom, 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 boom. Getting all the checks done, just looking pretty. All the lights working, all the marking sides, tires. I just don't know. I let it walk around. I need to lift the axle because I put it down last night. Yeah, everything looking absolutely marvelous. All right, let's put in the sun nav on, and we should be ready to go. So let's hit the road now. Take it wide just in case or anything, because it's early in the morning, and to be honest, I'm not so used to the mirrors still after a whole day of driving, but we will do after this anyway. All right, I'm going to do a drop now. It was a little diversion from where I was meant to go in, so it just gave me the back roads. Absolutely mental, this place. Like, look at the bushes outgrowing the streets already. Like, gotta be careful with stuff like that. If I knew that road was closed, I would have planned something, because I didn't know. The sun now was telling me, yeah, that's the right way to go. Checked on Google Maps as normal. Yeah, that's a good way to go. Nothing special, but look at this. The streets are like outgrowing the road. Like, that needs to be cutting. If you're asking why I'm pressing the horn, it's in case there's somebody comes and can't see me, because I can't see them coming. If I come to a bridge that is like minimum weight or max weight 7.5 ton, I'm gonna have to turn around. But the sign now is telling me there is no bridges around there. I got the right settings, I got everything on, and hopefully it's not gonna let me come across nothing too crazy. Well, signs there for road work as well. Oh, don't tell me it's road work around there as well. Oh no, we all right. This is like a really tight bend as well. Oh no, it's a little bridge as well. No road markings as well. Can't see it. Oof. At least it's wide enough. Thank you. Just because of one diversion, just because of that. All right, I think we'll be good until we get to the destination now. Hopefully it's not gonna be anything crazy. All right, 18 tons. No, the 18 tons is that away, so I'll be all right coming this way. That's all right, that's all right, that's all right. We're gonna get to where we gotta go. Drop this and tons up. All right, we're going right. Yeah, but the 7.5 weight limit is that way straight, so we'll be all right to go right. Whew. Okay, he's turning there, so he gave me the opportunity to get out. Oh no. Can you turn back, please? Yeah, that's alright there. Yeah. We saw that, we sorted it out. That is what we need to do. Yeah. This way. Come on, pal. Come on, get out. Tie that. Always be careful, guys. Okay, yeah. You see that guy or that girl. Thank you. She gives me the right away there. She felt like, yeah, let him out. Oof, tight turn as well. If I get too close to that, I'd be mounting down. So let me see if nothing coming that way. Oh, look at that guy. That guy is a legend. He knows what he's doing. Oh, she knows what she's doing. Thank you. Look at that. All you have to do is just be careful, be professional at your job. Let's go and do the collection and get out of here. When you're doing this job, guys, always remember, be professional. Be professional. There is always somebody. There is always somebody looking, and people can get their phone from the back of your trailer, can bring the office, can make you look bad. Instead of looking bad or anything like that, just be polite. Approach people. When you do a delivery, just make sure you're always polite. You always give the right details. Just common sense stuff, basically. Can't believe this. Today was a really good day. And to add up to that, have you ever thought about where the 90, or maybe not 90, maybe the 70% of your carrots come from? You probably don't know, but you're about to find out. Hunter Packed is one of the main suppliers for all the supermarkets, including Tesco's and a lot of supermarkets that you won't believe the ones I go to. And you see a bag of carrots straight away. When you see a bag of carrots in the shop or on your table, remember, Hunter Pack delivered that to you. Look at this. This is what we carry. It's not a secret. Most of you already know what we carry. Looking pretty good, isn't it? All the carrots. Look at that. 90%. And Christmas, when you sit down and you're eating your food, always remember this. Hunter Pack deliver what you're eating. Here we are. When you see this big red truck in the road, remember, Hunter Pack is delivering your stuff. So, I'm making my way down to Bristol now, and it's Diversion's absolutely everywhere. Like, M42 is closed, most of the junctions are closed as well. I was meant to be, well, I wanted to be in Bristol by 3 o'clock. I was meant to, if the M42 wasn't closed, I was gonna make it to Bristol at 10 minutes past 3. And now, because I had to divert, go around, do this, do that, follow the signs, traffic like this, it's gonna take me about 2 hours longer than I was expecting. I don't know why, but the weekends, they close every road thinking, oh, people are not going to work, it's gonna be less traffic. Yeah, it's true, it's true. I get the point of view they're getting from there. But for me, because I work Saturday and Sundays, it's not good whatsoever. I don't like it. Open the bloody motorways. The amount of traffic is unbelievable. Everyone is trying to get on the M42. I didn't think the M42 was that important, actually. Yes, it is. It is very important. I got on the M42 now. On this side of the motorway, look at how much traffic. This is the reason why a lot of truck drivers don't like working on the weekend, because of road closure. Now look at that. And that, I bet you that goes for hours and hours and hours, and then, well, I'm saying that actually ends there. It's been a delay because all that road work, but I might get there, but I'm gonna have to talk to them and trying to get myself a tip. All right, traffic lights on green straight away. That's good to see, seeing a green light straight away. Woof. But I'm pretty sure this is the 10. Yes, yes. All right, saying to go and park up on the goods in. So, all right, so that's a good sign. That means that we're all right to keep going and go and park and find out what bay we're going on. Let's see. Hi, pal. I have like an hour left and I need to tip this. Do you know how long it would take like to get 2 pallets off? Yeah. Amazing, thank you. Cheers. All right, he said just to go to the office and talk to them, and he's gonna radio through now, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna park up in one of these spaces and gonna go and see what they have to say. Have to go. Let's go and see. I'm a little bit late because it was a diversion today and then 42, sorry. I got like an hour left on my taco, you think? Yes. It's only 2 pallets as well.
2 pallets of plus 10, is it?
Yes. Ace tomatoes, bay 7. All right, thank you. Ta-da. They're gonna do it, so gotta run back to the truck now. Nearly there, nearly there. Woo! This have to be in one go. Just put them 2 bars out, and then this one, I will roll that back in a second. So better get out of here, like today. All right, I've been looking at services, and the closest one to me right now, which is 5.4 miles away, is the garden services. Yes, so we're gonna get out of here, we're ready to go. So I'm just gonna put it on my side nav and get there like as quick as I can and take a break. So straight away, this is not good because the barriers are not open. Check this out. They closed. I'm in a hurry and the barriers are opening, even though a lot days waiting, and that is not written in number plates by the look of it. I don't know what's going on with it. So I'm gonna have to go back or ring somebody to come and open them. All right, the barrier for him open. Oh, mine's opening up. So let's get out of here. Let's go, guys. Right, we're about to get on the M25. Sorry, my bad. We're about to get on the M5, that's what I mean. Anyway, we got 57 minutes. Working time, I have got about, yeah, exactly that, 57 minutes. So I should be arriving there in the next 10 minutes, the most. So when I get there, be able to get a shower, be able to park up, I'll be able to do so many things straight away. And the good thing about this is, then I don't need to find somewhere where to park. I can go straight to the services and just tell them, listen, we got an account here, thank you. Because Hunter Park, they don't let you just go on your own and then just park wherever. You go and park in the services. Services! Services! Wow, look at that, golden services. Services there, services there. Honestly, this takes the weight off my shoulders, knowing that I'll be able to park up and chill out for the rest of the night. Okay, I want to try to park away from everybody because I got a fridge. Yeah, that's parking here, that's the lines. Oh wow. Yeah, I'll park here, stay away from people as well. Last check now before I go. I'm gonna do something that is gonna make me happy and probably makes you happy as well. I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight because it's empty. So before I go tomorrow, because it's getting loaded, I don't know if it's an ambient load. I should ask. Actually gonna ring before I go to sleep. So if it's an ambient load, we're gonna chill load or whatever it is, I have to make sure that it's on and then it's got electricity and all that, but it's empty right now. So just doing all the last check, making sure everything is all right. So I'm all right now, I have finished. All I gotta do now is go and get a shower, go for a sleep and chill out. So thank you for the support, thank you for watching. Big shout out to Hunter Park. They give me the permission to record videos. Guys, thank you. Comment, like, subscribe and everything. Cheers.